Let's draw a beautiful butterfly today. We will start by drawing its little head and then the body. Let's give it wings to fly. Don't forget to draw its antennae. Let's color the wings to make it mesmerizing. I am using yellow color for the wings. And black color for the head and body. I am decorating wings with orange highlighter. And the most beautiful butterfly is ready. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.